crypto. What is it good for? Absolutely everything and nothing. It's a paradox wrapped in an enigma shrouded in mystery. Cryptocurrency. Sounds like something your weird uncle talks about after 3 beers, right? You know, the one who always has a new get-rich-quick scheme. Well, guess what? It's a real thing, and it's taking over the world one blockchain at a time. From bustling city centers to remote villages, the digital currency revolution is spreading. Imagine digital money, but instead of boring old banks controlling it, it's all controlled by, well, nobody and everybody at the same time. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity has the power to manipulate it. It's like the internet had a baby with a stock market, and that baby is wearing a hacker mask and refusing to pay taxes. It's rebellious, it's innovative, and it's shaking up the financial world. What can you use cryptocurrency for? Good question. The possibilities are expanding every day. You can buy things online, from everyday items to luxury goods. Some retailers are even offering exclusive deals for crypto users. Invest in the future of finance, diversifying your portfolio with digital assets that could potentially yield high returns. Or just hoard it like a digital dragon and watch its value, hopefully, go up or down. The market is volatile, and fortunes can change in an instant. It's a bit of a gamble, kind of like buying a lottery ticket, but instead of scratching off a piece of paper, you're refreshing your phone screen every 5 seconds, muttering, "Come on, moon." Is it confusing? Absolutely. The jargon alone can make your head spin. Is it risky? You bet. The value can skyrocket or plummet in the blink of an eye. It's a roller coaster ride of emotions, but is it also potentially life-changing? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Some have made fortunes, while others have lost everything, or should I say the million Bitcoin question. The potential for massive gains is there, but so is the risk of significant losses. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wacky, wonderful, and sometimes downright terrifying world of cryptocurrency investing. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. Don't worry, I'm here to hold your hand. Metaphorically speaking, of course, we'll navigate this digital frontier together, exploring the ins and outs of crypto. I'm not responsible for any accidental Bitcoin purchases, so double-check before you click that buy button. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of cryptocurrency, staying informed is your best bet. From zero to crypto hero, the genesis of digital gold. Once upon a time, in the magical land of 2008, which feels like both yesterday and a million years ago, a mysterious figure, or group of figures, using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, unleashed Bitcoin upon the world. It was like a financial Big Bang, except instead of creating the universe, it created a decentralized digital currency that promised to revolutionize the way we think about money. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the technical details because, frankly, I don't understand them either, but the gist is this. Bitcoin uses something called blockchain technology, which is basically a fancy way of saying it's a public ledger that records every single transaction ever made. Think of it like a giant digital receipt that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. In the beginning, Bitcoin was the Wild West of finance. Only a handful of tech-savvy individuals and libertarian types were brave enough or crazy enough to dabble in this new form of digital gold. But as the years went by, word started to spread. More people jumped on the bandwagon, and the price of Bitcoin started to climb. Slowly at first, then all at once. And thus began the cryptocurrency revolution. Bitcoin's decentralized nature meant that it wasn't controlled by any single entity, government, or organization. This was a game changer. People could now send money across the globe in a matter of minutes, without the need for traditional banks or hefty transaction fees. As Bitcoin gained popularity, so did the concept of mining. Mining in the Bitcoin world is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with new Bitcoins. Early adopters saw the potential of Bitcoin and believed it could change the financial landscape forever. Soon, other cryptocurrencies began to emerge, each with its own unique features and purposes. Ethereum, for example, introduced the concept of smart contracts. The blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin started to gain attention from various industries, from finance to supply chain management. The possibilities seemed endless, and the world began to take notice. Bitcoin's journey from an obscure digital currency to a household name was nothing short of extraordinary. It faced numerous challenges along the way, including regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and skepticism from traditional financial institutions. Yet, despite the hurdles, Bitcoin continued to grow and evolve, proving its resilience time and time again. Today, Bitcoin stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of decentralized technology. The genesis of digital gold has paved the way for a new era of financial freedom and technological advancement. And this is just the beginning. The future of digital gold is bright, and its story is still being written. Why 2024 is like 1995 for the internet, but with better haircuts? Probably. You missed the internet boom, your FOMO is real. Good news, you might not have missed the crypto boom. 2024 is like the awkward teenage years of cryptocurrency. It's figuring itself out, it's going through some growing pains, but it's also full of potential. Remember when people thought the internet was just a fad? Look who's laughing now. Spoiler alert, it's the people who invested in Amazon in the 90s. Think about it. We've got governments warming up to the idea of digital currencies, institutional investors dipping their toes in, and even your grandma asking you what Bitcoin is. This is it, folks, the tipping point. The moment where crypto goes from that weird thing nerds talk about to the future of finance. So, what are you waiting for? The time to buy Bitcoin, it might have been yesterday, but the second best time to buy is now, or maybe tomorrow. Look, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy with a keyboard and a tenuous grasp on the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. Section 4, charts that go up and sometimes down, but mostly up, hopefully. Let's be honest, you want to see the charts, those green candlesticks that make your palms sweat and your heart race, the lines that go to the moon. Okay, I hear you, but before we get to the good stuff, a word of caution. Crypto charts are like roller coasters designed by sadists. See? Told you. Up, down, sideways, loop-de-loops. It's enough to give even the most seasoned investor whiplash. But that's part of the fun, right? The thrill of the unknown, the possibility of striking it rich. Just remember to breathe, and maybe keep a bath bag handy. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. If you look at the long-term trends, things are looking pretty good for crypto. Like, really good. We're talking buy a private island good. Okay, maybe not for everyone, but you get the idea. The point is, crypto is volatile, but it's also potentially very profitable. You just don't come crying to me if you lose your shirt, or your pants, or your house. You get the idea. Section 5, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoin circus, a menagerie of digital delights. So, you're ready to dive into the wonderful world of crypto investing, but where do you even begin? The sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, and the rapid pace of change in the crypto world can leave even seasoned investors feeling a bit lost. Fear not, intrepid investor, for I am here to guide you through the digital wilderness. Together, we'll navigate the twists and turns of this fascinating landscape, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions. First up, we have the OG itself, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Born out of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin was created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto as a decentralized digital currency, free from the control of any single entity. It's like the Coca-Cola of the crypto world. Everyone knows it, everyone's heard of it, and it's been around forever. Well, since 2008, which is basically forever in internet years. Bitcoin's value has seen dramatic rises and falls, but it remains the most well-known and widely accepted cryptocurrency. Next, we have Ethereum, the brainy younger sibling of Bitcoin. Launched in 2015 by a team led by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. While Bitcoin is content with being a digital currency, Ethereum wants to be the foundation for a whole new internet, a decentralized wonderland where you can do everything from buying a cup of coffee to selling your house, all without a single middleman. This vision has led to the creation of countless decentralized applications or dApps built on the Ethereum blockchain. And then there are the altcoins. Well, the altcoins. These are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some aim to improve upon Bitcoin's technology, while others seek to carve out their own niche in the crypto ecosystem. Thousands upon thousands of them, each with their own quirky names, dedicated communities, and promises of unimaginable riches. From Litecoin and Ripple to Dogecoin and beyond, the altcoin market is a vibrant and ever-evolving space. Some are legitimate projects with real-world use cases, while others are, well, let's just say not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. It's important to do your research and understand the fundamentals of any altcoin before investing. Think of it like a giant circus tent. Inside, you'll find a dazzling array of performers, each vying for your attention. Some are skilled acrobats, capable of amazing feats, while others are mere clowns, putting on a show with little substance behind it. The key is to discern which is which, and to invest wisely in those that have the potential to stand the test of time.